Hi guys, this is Fahim Faisal and this is my friend Shebal Maltia.
Hi.
And we are right now at Hatir Jil, a very beautiful place. There is a bridge, you can see right there, a bridge here. So we are here and I was thinking that we can talk about something very important, and I am not definitely prepared for anything. Whatever I'll say, I will speak by myself from my memory. So it will be some very beneficial things for those who wants to learn how to make money online. Okay, so there are a lot of ways of making money online. The first one is freelancing. Anybody can do freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is someone who acquire a knowledge, and maybe it's content writing, maybe it's video editing. It can be any kind of job that anyone can do at home. It can be an accountant or marketing expert, or funnel creator. So these are the skills a person can get and start doing the job online. So this is freelancing. And another thing is online business. Online business has a broad area to discuss. I will not go that deep because I want to keep the video very, very short. So online business is one kind of online business is that you create a software and someone who needs that software purchase from you, and this is an online business. Another kind of online business can be service. For example, you are a marketing executive, you have created a consultancy firm, and people who needs your consult can purchase that, can take the service from you. This is a type of online business. And most particularly what I want to talk about tonight is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing and how easily can someone take this profession and earn money online? I'm going to talk about that. Affiliate marketing is someone, for example, my friend Shoaibal Maltia here, he has a business and he has a product or a service and he hired me to sell that. I have a follower base, or I have a follower base and I want to sell that, promote that course or product with my followers, and whenever someone buys that, he gives me a commission. It can be 40%, 30% or 50%. Okay, so I am currently working with a company called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels have an amazing affiliate program where a lot of people are making a lot of money every day. So I want to teach you. I want to teach you how you can become an affiliate marketer and start earning today, step-by-step ways, and I have a few organic strategies. You can use those strategies and you can make money online. For example, I have organic traffic strategies. If you follow this, you can communicate with people, you can promote and you can sell and you can make money online. So if you don't know anything, no problem. You don't have to know anything, but you have to have something that is passion, that is willingness to learn and grow. This is hard because most people thinks they can, but they actually can't because they don't want to earn money online that enthusiastically. They just wish for it, and after a few days, if they don't succeed, they quit. So I don't need those people. I need those who have a deepest desire to earn money online, and I want to share my 3 years experience that I learned, continuously failed and growed, and I want to share that with people, with step by step. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, just give me a message. And if you truly if you are truly passionate about affiliate marketing, if you want to become a super affiliates of ClickFunnels or any other program you like, so it's really the strategy that you need, and it's up to you which company you will choose to promote. And I have many different companies. It's not about ClickFunnels only. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, just give me a message and we can talk about it. We can share about, we can discuss. You can join my free call, my 20 minutes free call, where I will give all the strategies you need. So thank you very much, guys. This is Fahim Faisal and this is my friend Shoaibal, and goodbye for today.